Alright, All Big Hits back with, we got box number 7 out of the case of 12. This one is numbered 649. So we got Lotto 649 here. I'm hoping that there is a massive lottery hit in here. Probably like a $7,000 Bradford Auto or something. If not, then I guess we'll just open it anyways. And thanks again to everybody who's bidding on these. Seems like, again, a lot of the same people are bidding on it, which is good. And I'm not complaining, because it's fun for me to open the boxes, so I hope you guys keep bidding on them and continue to get good cards out of here. So, last box we had was a Brandon LaFell rookie die cut, and I like those looks of those rookie die cut cards, so I'm up for any of those anytime. So let's start it off. Box number 7. We got Aaron Rodgers for your Green Bay Packers. Got a Brent Selleck card. I believe we had him last box as well. 45 out of 50. Oh, sorry, it's number 46 out of 50 for the Eagles. And it's a 3-colored patch there. We got black, and then gray, and then green. So not a bad hit for your Eagles. Major Wright for Chicago Bears rookie card. Sean Weatherspoon for Atlanta Falcons rookie card. Numbered 35 out of 100. Braylon Edwards for the New York Jets. Jamal Charles for the Kansas City Chiefs. And Jake Delhomme for the Cleveland Browns. On to pack 2. Got Roddy White for the Atlanta Falcons. Dominique Franks, what a crap card that is, for the Atlanta Falcons. Rookie auto. Number 180 out of 249. So there you go, Atlanta. I usually don't get too many Atlanta hits, so it's nice to get one, I guess. Terrell Troop, rookie for the Bills. Got here for the Philadelphia Eagles, Pete Retzlaff. I'm not sure I know who that is. Brian Urlacher for your Chicago Bears. And Carson Palmer for the Bengals. Alright, so since we got that sweet Atlanta Falcons hit, I'm hoping that there's one huge hit in this box. Make up for that card. Mark Dirty Sanchez for the Jets. RPS Rookies, card number 235. RPS Rookies, 235. Dexter McCluster, right there, for your Chiefs. Pretty sure he's for Kansas City. I'll double check it again, but another spacer card. Kareem Jackson for Houston Texans. Montario Hardesty for your Cleveland Browns card. Kings of the NFL, Matt Ryan. Something weird at the bottom of that card. I don't know if you can make it out right there. I don't know what it is. It looks like it was tape or something, but Matt Ryan, Kings of the NFL for the Falcons, and Mohamed Masakai for the Cleveland Browns. Alright, last pack here. Let's get some mojo. Ben Roethlisberger for the Steelers. I'm gonna save the next card. No, I'm not. I'll show you right now. For Green Bay Packers, number 184 out of 299, Forrest Gregg, offensive tackle. Majestic, So this is an older jersey card here for the Packers. We got Myron Lewis for the Tampa Bay Bucks rookie. Len Dawson for the Kansas City Chiefs. Owen Daniels for the Houston Texans. Beanie Wells for the Cardinals. And Brandon Marshall for the Dolphins. Alright, so looks like the hit out of the box was the Brent Selleck card. Got a couple pieces of his jersey there, numbered out of 50. We got Dominique Franks, never heard of him. Got Forrest Gregg, never heard of him. And we got card number 235, Dexter McCluster, which I think is the Chiefs. But I'll double check that for you in the bonus video. Be right back.